Part modeling tools in Autodesk Inventor 2019 add more robust direct editing and Inventor ideas submissions. Direct editing is a great option when modifying non-native data in an AnyCAD workflow or if you're just looking to quickly edit your model. Inventor 2019 now supports automatic blending when using direct edit. Automatic blending moves adjacent tangential faces and creates new blends if required. This works when moving or rotating faces. The new inverted fillet option allows you to create convex fillets on an inside edge or create concave fillets on an outside edge. This Inventor Ideas submission eliminates the need for you to create additional sketches and features. Whether you're editing parts in an AnyCAD workflow or adding edge treatments to your 3D models, Inventor 2019 provides the tools to help you work more efficiently.